What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another Christmas series. We're a little bit late this year as I've been feeling a little bit under the weather, so we're a little bit behind schedule. But I will show you the perfect tonic to battle a cold, or if you feel under the weather, this is the drink for you. The perfect hot drink. You know what I'm talking about. It's one of the oldest recipes in the world. It is the Hot Toddy, the perfect hot drink to battle any ailments like that, any colds, anything. It's just a beautiful drink to have, especially in cold weather. So to make a hot toddy, guys, it's as simple as this, as I will show you guys how to make it. So get your cocktail glass and fill up halfway. So we're filling up the glass halfway with boiled water. So water pre-prepared just before, just to let you know, instead of just putting in boiling water, I put in warm water beforehand. Otherwise they'd crack. That's just something to mention there, to put out there. So the next thing to go in now, guys, is 2 tablespoons of Demerara sugar. Give it a stir, but then just keep stirring it until it dissolves. Beautiful. So the next one is my guilty little pleasure. It's my secret recipe. It's honey. I just love clove honey. So any honey really will do. Because this is an optional one. You don't have to put honey in, but I usually have honey to battle a sore throat. It just helps to soothe it, and it's sweet as well. I think it just makes a hot drink, honey, especially with my hot toddy. Beautiful. So what we'll do now is we'll stir this until it dissolves. Beautiful. What we're doing now, guys, is putting 7.5 ml or 1/4 ounce of a fresh lemon juice. Lemon juice is perfect to battle any sore throat or any cold. It helps soothe it. Beautiful. And then the main ingredient is whiskey. You can use any whiskey, but I prefer, guys, to use Irish whiskey. I'm a big fan of Irish whiskey. That's my favourite go-to. And Redbreast is an absolute beautiful Irish whiskey. It's quality. It's a single pot still Irish whiskey. Can't recommend it highly enough. It's a beautiful one, this. So what we're doing, guys, is putting in 60 ml or 2 ounces of Irish whiskey. But if you're a Scotsman, you can put in single malt or single malt if you wish, or nice rye or nice bourbon if you're from America. So what we're going to do now, guys, is give it another stir. Beautiful. And the last thing to do now, guys, is to garnish it with a lemon wheel with 4 cloves. And it's as simple as that. The perfect hot drink, one of the oldest recipes in the world, a hot toddy. You just can't go wrong with it. So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen, the hot toddy, the perfect hot drink. How does it taste? It certainly warms up the cockles. It's just what I need. I've been feeling under the weather and I've been feeling better lately. But this is a tonic for me. Absolutely beautiful. Just cannot go wrong with a nice hot drink. One thing I will say, if you like mulled wine, you like the hot toddy. Or if you like your hot drinks. I know it's not for everyone. It's a required taste. But it certainly hits the spot. That's one thing I will say with it. The hot toddy. Especially with whiskey. I just love Irish whiskey and it hits the spot. To me, the honey just makes this a drink for me. I just love that, a little bit of sweetness, and it helps soothe the back of your throat. So that warm drink warms it up, nice and soothes it, and it's just a beautiful, the perfect winter drink. You can't beat it, you can't beat the classics. The hot toddy is one of those classic drinks, and it's there every year, and it's stood the test of time, the hot toddy. Absolutely beautiful. But that, guys, is the hot toddy, as I will be doing my Christmas series now, as my next Christmas cocktail, guys. will be Snowball, as I try and do daily, and even a Christmas vlog, so stick around for that. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more Christmas cocktails like this, as my next Christmas cocktail will be the Snowball, as I'll show you guys how to make that next time. But I've been MixedSid, this has been the Hot Toddy. Have a nice day, guys, and I will see you in the next Christmas cocktail. Cheers. That really does the job. Beautiful.